welcome to my channel. Welcome. Today I'll be doing a human nature unboxing and I'm just so excited. Let's do unboxing. Let's not waste your time. Let's go. I have nourishing facial wash, mild gentle care, tomato, with a toner, nourishing facial toner. Yep, you're gonna pair with this. Very nice. Then we have the hydrating creamy wash, moisture boost, fragrance moringa. If you have a dry face, especially winter times, dry, then you want to hydrate your face, you use the hydrating creamy wash. We have the natural shampoo with cream foam strengthening for brittle falling hair, soothing aloe vera. Well, that's my hair. I have brittle hair and very dry hair, so good for, very nice. And we have the conditioner, natural conditioner moisturizing for dry rough hair, lush vanilla. Dry and rough hair, that's my hair. And here we have natural body wash, rose bouquet, paraben free, SLS and LES free. All natural. And then, oh yep, let us try and smell it. Smell like a rose. Smells good. Next we have 100% natural body scrub, coffee and vanilla. Let's smell it. Smell like cookies and cream. Smells so good. Next, cooling leg and body cream with peppermint and bergamot oil. If you are hot or you have some achy in there, you put it on and kind of cool your body. Now let's have lemon zest cleansing bar. Yep, you'll just cut it and then just put it in your shower, and at least you're not wasting your soap. Then last one, we have overnight elixir. Very nice box. Yep. Not just the box, the inside is so nice too. It's good for the skin. I heard a lot of good things of this product. And then it's all protected there. So it's so tiny and it's just fragile. So cute. Yeah, let's put it back and close it. Oh. Patience is a virtue. Okay, we're done. Yay! Okay, so we're done with our unboxing, and I'll be doing reviews of each of this product. Tell you the result for my face, for my body, for my hair. And then, of course, I'll tell you my honest review. Good or bad, I'll tell you. Promise. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Really excited to use the natural organic products. Just subscribe on my channel. I'll be uploading more videos. Just click like if you like it. Just don't click unlike if you don't like it. Just leave it blank. Just leave it. Just drop by and leave it if you don't like it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Check nyo din yung website nila. I will leave the link down below and you can check all their products there and the history of their company. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know down below. Okay, bye!